Hello everyone, now we are going to discuss about animal and plant diseases. After watching this video, you will be able to explain different types of animal and plant diseases. Animal and plant diseases. Let's talk about animal diseases. Anthrax, highly infectious and fatal disease of cattle, caused by a relatively large spore forming rectangular shaped bacterium called Bacillus anthracis. Bloody discharge from nose. Symptoms of anthrax. Some animal may show trembling, high temperature, difficulty in breathing, collapse and convulsions before death. After death, blood may not clot, resulting in a small amount of bloody discharge from the nose, mouth and other opening. Blackwater or blackleg. It is an acute infectious and highly fatal bacterial disease of cattle. Buffaloes, sheep and goats are also affected. Blackleg. Young cattle between 6 to 24 months of age in good body conditions are mostly affected. Causal organism. It is a bacterial disease caused by Clostridium chuoi. Foot and mouth disease. Highly communicable disease affecting cloven-footed animals, characterized by fever, formation of vesicles and blisters in the mouth, udder, teeth, and on the skin between the toes and above the hoofs, caused by virus. Foot disease and mouth disease. Blue tongue or black tongue. It is a disease which is transmitted by midges. It infects domestic and wild ruminants and also camelids. However, sheep are particularly badly affected. Blue tongue. Bovine ephemeral fever. It is an insect transmitted non-contagious viral disease of cattle and water buffalo that is seen in Africa, the Middle East, Australia and Asia. Symptoms: fever, shivering, inappetence, lacrimation, serious nasal discharge, drooling, increased heart rate. Bovine ephemeral fever. Mastitis. Mastitis or inflammation of mammary gland is the most common and most expensive diseases of dairy cattle throughout most of the world. Mastitis. Stress and physical injuries may cause inflammation of mammary gland, infection by invading bacteria or other microorganisms like fungi, yeast and viruses is the primary cause of mastitis. Infection begins when microorganisms penetrate the teat canal and multiply in the mammary gland. Plant diseases. Bacteria, fungi, nematodes, mycoplasmas, viruses and viroids are the living agents that cause plant diseases. None of these pathogens are visible to the naked eye, but the diseases they cause can be detected by the symptoms of wilting, yellowing, stunting and abnormal growth pattern. Bacteria. Some plant diseases caused by rod-shaped bacteria. Bacteria enter into plants through natural openings like stomata of leaves or through wounds in the plant tissues. Once inside, bacteria plug up the plant's vascular system and cause the plant to wilt. Other common symptoms of bacterial disease including rotting and swollen plant tissues. Bacteria can be spread by water, insects, infected soil, or contaminated tools. Bacteria wilt attack many vegetables, including corn, tomatoes, and flowers. Crown gall, another bacterial plant diseases, weakens and stunts plants in the rose family and the other flowers. Crown gall. Blight disease in paddy and wilt disease in brinjal are also caused by bacteria. Blight disease in paddy. Fungi cause 18% of plant diseases. Can penetrate plant tissue or grown on plant surface. Fungal spores, which act like seeds, are spread by wind, water, soil, and animal to other plants. Warm, humid conditions promote fungal growth. Fungi causes common plant diseases such as quick wilt in pepper, bud rot of coconut, anthracnose, late blight, apple scab, clubroot, black spot, damping off, and powdery mildew. Quick wilt in pepper, bud rot of coconut, anthracnose, late blight of potato and apple scab, clubroot and black spot, powdery mildew. The list of fungi and plants they infect is a long one. Black spots attack roses. Brown rot damages stone fruits. Downy mildew attacks flowers, some fruits, and most vegetables. Brown rot and downy mildew. Viruses and viroids. Viruses and viroids that attack plants are the hardest pathogens to control. Destroying the infected plants is usually best control method since chemicals to inactive plant viruses and viroids are not proven effective. Symptom of viral infection: yellowing, stunted growth in some part of plant malformations like leaf rolls and narrow leaf growth. Viral infection in plants. Mosaic virus infect many plants. Symptom of this virus: mottled or streaked leaves. Infected fruit trees produce poor fruit and a small yield. Mosaic virus infected plants. Nematodes, tiny microscopic animals with worm-like bodies and long needle-like structure called stylets that suck nutrients from plant cells. Nematicides are chemicals used to control nematode infestations. Marigolds are resistant to nematodes and are often planted to help eliminate them from infected soil. Primarily attack plant roots, but they may destroy other parts of plants either internally or externally. They thrive in warm, sandy, moist soil and attack variety of plants including corn, potatoes, tomatoes, lettuce, alfalfa, rye, and onions. Follow-up activity. Thank you. In this video, we discussed about different types of animal and plant diseases. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.